You've been lied to about this your whole life. Let's debunk this myth right now. People say that cracking your knuckles will ruin your joints and give you arthritis, but is it really true? Here's the truth. No scientific study has ever proven that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. It's just a harmless habit. The pop sound you hear is just gas bubbles bursting inside your joint fluid. It's completely normal.
Not dangerous, but excessive knuckle cracking can weaken your grip strength over time, so don't make it a habit.
ஊர்காக்கு இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேரு பிக்கல். ஸ்டாப் எக்ஸசிவ் கிராக்கிங் ஆஃப் யர் knuckle.